What up, everybody? How y'all doing, man? Here in my little town, every year, the weekend for the 4th, we always do a car show, have a festival, and do fireworks on Saturday night. So, car show, and let's go check it out and see what they have around here. Look at these cars.
We're good.
Man, look at this old rat rod, boy. Hell yeah. It's old Studebaker. And that is too cool.
Truck down here, man.
525,
Got your sponsorship
552.
trophy. Come on, Gavin.
Man. Cheers. Oh, Bronco. How you doing, sir?
Good. How about you?
I'm good, man. Oh, beautiful Bronco, man. Oh, custom. Oh my gosh, boy. Look at look at the stain, boy. Jeez, man. Look at that beautiful car. God dang, that thing is sharp, bro.
That's what I like.
Man, look at these stains, boy. Man, beautiful cars. Jesus. Oh, man, what's this? What's this? Shelby Cobra? Jesus. Powered by 427. Man, that thing's got a 427 in it, guys. Look at this thing, man. Autographed by Carroll Shelby. Nice. Damn, that's beautiful, man. That is beautiful. Well, that one's sitting on the ground, ain't it? Oh, you're all right, man. We're just... That thing is... That's sharp, though.
It's sharp. You don't have to about skunks in the boat. It'll take care of them on it.
Right. Right on.
Right up.
Right. I guarantee you.
Yeah.
Man, look at that. That is cool. This Shelby, though, man. God, dog. Bro. Look at that paint job, man. That is freaking beautiful, man. Look at that. Look at that. Some 3 scratches, boy. What is that? Man, beautiful cars. Beautiful cars. Oh man, I like the old Ford. I like this. Yes, that is a beautiful truck. Old Ford. Definitely. Nice. Man, I love the, still got the old paint job, you know what I'm saying? Oh. Man, look at there. Oh yeah. Nice. I seen this truck yesterday, man. Beautiful truck. That is a beautiful truck right there. I won't show nobody's license plate. A couple old cars down there. Cupcake eating contest. Man, you ought to go enter that, Brandon.
What's that?
Cupcake eating contest.
I think the diabetes might not like that.
Well, look at this vet. God dang, that's beautiful. We even got some stock cars over here. Look at this. Oh, geez, man, look at this. Bud, that is beautiful. Nice. Nice truck. Oh, this is beautiful. Camaro. These beautiful cars, man. Down here. No. Beautiful truck, brother. Beautiful truck.
For sale.
Beautiful truck here. He just picked him up a nice trophy. I don't know what class he got, but beautiful truck.
How'd I do that?
Man, look at that old bug, man. That's cool, man. Look at all those stuff he's got up on there. Luggage rack. Very nice. Old Bel Air. Old drop Bel Air, boy. Beautiful. SS. Beautiful. Oh man, these old custom Ford here. Beautiful truck, man. Got bucket seats in it. Oh, sound system in there. Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. Oh man, wait till y'all see. Look at that thing, boy. That's a beautiful car. Wait till y'all see this donkey. Man, you're gonna like this, bro. Mayhem.
If you're just making it out to the show, we've got food vendors. We've got a really cool fire truck. We've got all
This
kinds
diesel,
of different
man.
vendors set up down in the park. Make your way down that direction and check them out. There's also a mobile gaming trailer down there. Really cool setup.
Bro, what a beautiful, beautiful rig, man. Look at this rig, bro. Damn, that thing is awesome. That thing is beautiful, man. We'll cruise
Got a couple of raffle
cruise that
tickets.
around.
521-2800.
Some more rigs down through here.
521-2800. Next ticket number
Brought 'em.
521-2776.
Brought the old rigs down.
521-2776. Come back to registration.
y'all-
Pick up your door
Man,
prize.
y'all gotta see, y'all gotta see this. It was a nice Roadrunner. Y'all gotta see this. This is the shit, bro. Look at this. Bro. Bro, oh my God. Bro. Dude. Look at this, man. This is too freaking cool. Bro, we got party down in this bus. Man, look at this thing, dude. Bro, look at the motor in front of this dang thing, man. Got a blower on it, man. Look how look how he's got it busting out of the hood, man.
There's like a sign right there.
Jeez Louise, son. Man, this is my favorite. I ain't kidding. This is absolutely my favorite right here. I absolutely love this thing. That thing's sitting right on the ground too, boy. Nice little Bel Air. Man, we got hot rods everywhere, man. Jeez, look at all these hot rods over there, man. Old cars and stuff. Cars everywhere, man. Cars everywhere. Dang, this car's over there. Way over there, too. Got some food over there, too, man. You want something to eat? I got some cash on me, bro. Man. Oh, what we got over here? We got old T-Bucket, old T, Model T or something? What is this over here?
You're sponsored by First Security Bank.
Looking old Chevy truck. Is that a Mercury? Is that one of the old Cougars? What is this? Oh, Cyclone. Okay. Damn, that's sharp, man. I like that, bro. That's cool as shit.
Got a Ford motor. Must be a Ford. I don't know.
Yeah, I guess a Ford Cyclone. Very nice. Wanted to see this one down here. Go check this out. This old truck, man. Look at beautiful wooden bed in there. Good looking old truck. Nice car. Very nice. Look at that, man. Such a classic. Beautiful, beautiful job. Very nice. Thank you. 1918 Chevrolet. Brand new, y'all. $1,385 brand new. Man, you can't even hardly buy a part for a car anymore for that price. You know what I'm saying? Man, that's beautiful. Y'all have already seen Brandon before. Brandon, say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, man. Y'all, just like I said, I just wanted to make a little quick video, show y'all some of the stuff we got going on here today in my town. Some beautiful vehicles out here. I'm gonna jump off here, man, and I'm gonna really take a look. Turn this camera. I'm gonna take a look at all the stuff, and so I can look closer. Just wanted to share that with y'all. And tonight I'm gonna also we do fireworks here. Our big firework display on this weekend kind of gives everybody a chance to you know, do their own thing for 4th of July. So we will be I may even live stream that, y'all. But man, there's hot rods everywhere. Still, look at that. So custom trucks, boy, got your interest up a little bit, bro? Huh? Look at that, man. Jeez, look at that. That is, dude, I like that. That. Man, I really like this old Ford. And look at that. Beautiful. Man, look at this old Chevrolet right here, boy. Beautiful car. Man, that thing's clean, boy. What a damn paint job on that. Good looking stuff, man. Good looking. Man, look at there. We even got an old fire truck, man. Look at this old fire truck. Custom cab. Nice. Now, man, after last night, y'all, because we partied down, man, I ain't gonna lie, I ate half a damn large pizza last night and threw out all them live streams and stuff. I'm about to go over here and get me something to eat. Motorcycles. All right, y'all. Peace out.